Hello, my name is Wadang Emmanuel Juma, student of Bronston Canadian Academy, course MH4U, Unit 6 Summative Presentation. Topic is trigonometric function. Before one starts calculating and doing other things, we need to know what trigonometric function is about, the definition and how it is used in the real world. Trigonometric function is functions of angles. Trigonometric functions is used by people of different profession. That is, says engineers use and architects. Architects use trigonometric function to calculate the slope of a roof and then other angles. It can come in two ways. One can be asked to convert from degrees to radian, like number 1, or from radian to degrees. Let's take a quick look at this before we move on to the next number. They say convert 150 degrees to radians. Here, first thing we have to do is to say let 150 degrees be x. That is the first step that we have to take. And then afterwards, we now come in and say our formula, we use x pi over 180. Of course, we know that our x is 150, sorry, which is 150 pi over 180 degrees. We cancel the zeros because they are the same up and down to make it easier for us. And then after here, we look for a number that can divide both the numerator and the denominator. I think 3 can divide, we get 5, and then by this we get 6. So our answer becomes 5 pi over 6. That is in radian now. Sometimes one can be asked to convert from radian to degrees. Let's take a look at the second question. The second question says convert 2 pi over 6 to degrees. Here we need to know that pi is 180 degrees. So 2 pi, we just take the 180 and substitute where there is pi, times 180 degrees over 6. So what do we do here? Next thing we do is to cancel this. We get 30. So when 2 times that 30, we get 60 degrees. So we have converted from radian to degrees now. This is our answer. Thanks.